Welcome back to the Lone Ranger Radio Show. My name is Bruce Woodburn. They call me the Lone Ranger because all I do is arrange mortgage loans for you and your family. If you're considering buying a home or refinancing a home, I would love the opportunity to earn your business. I've been in the mortgage business for 33 plus years. I've closed well over 10,000 transactions, and that's just me. That's not even including my team or all of my branches that I have. All CrossCountry mortgages are not created equal. I work for a great company, but I run the best branch with the best service of any branch that I can think of in the country, regardless of what mortgage company it is. However, at CrossCountry Mortgage, we have a variety of products that other lenders can't compete with. Now, we've got all your standard products like conventional loans, jumbo loans, which my jumbo loans will beat your bank. I promise you. Shop me on jumbos. You are going to love it. My service, over the top. I had a client recently on a jumbo loan, and I'm going to tell you this story. This is, pay attention if you're looking in the, this was a $2 million buyer, okay? Came to me from one of my loyal real estate agents and called me up and said, you know what, Bruce, thank you. I really appreciate what you have to offer, but I have to tell you, you can't compete with the interest rate that I have from a bank. And it's, I won't mention the name, but it starts with a W and has an F in it, and it goes Argo. Okay. So now he says, I'm a high net worth person, and they've offered me an interest rate, and I'm already almost all the way through the approval process with this bank. Okay. I understand. I certainly don't want to put you through any undue stress, but I'm here to help you. So went into contract. $2 million transaction, okay? Everything's going fine. I get a call from the real estate agent going, uh-oh, we need your help. What's the matter? The client didn't get exactly what he thought he was from Argo, okay? Really, that didn't surprise me because he had multiple properties. Then they wanted him, listen to this, they wanted him to transfer $1 million into an account at Wells Fargo that was a retirement account. Now, do you know how much your capital gains would be and your taxes on transferring $1 million over to Wells Fargo to make liquid from a retirement account? It would have cost the guy $350,000. It was insane. It was absolutely insane. So then they had problems with the amount of properties and the reserves he had, because a lot of these banks and mortgage companies don't want to consider retirement accounts as reserve. So he comes back to me. I get him all situated. We are dialed in, and we are set to go closing at the end of this month. Now, that's what you get with the Lone Ranger. Okay. You get honest, true advice with a variety of products that you can choose from. So if you're looking for anything from a jumbo loan, meaning any mortgage over $447,000, all the way down to a mobile home that you may want to buy in a mobile home park or build or buy one on your own land. Maybe you're looking for construction to perm lending. You don't want to buy a production home from a production builder. A lot of people don't want that. All these production builders have strict HOAs. Your house looks the same as the house 5 doors down. It just has the garage on the other side of the house, and it has brick instead of block, or it has siding instead of something else. Listen, it's just not for everyone. So now, if you are thinking that you'd like to build on your own home, I have a series and a group of vetted builders that I refer to you. If you are a production builder and you would like me to help drive traffic to you, then I will interview you. I will interview your process. We will look at your approval rate, and I will then endorse you if you are a quality production builder and help you drive traffic. There are a couple builders that I'd like to talk to. If you know anybody that works for Cardell Homes, I've heard good things about them, but I'm not on their approval list. So pick up the phone and call Cardell Homes and tell them to get Bruce Woodburn, the Lone Ranger, on their list. If you are considering buying a home like from a D.R. Horton or a Lennar, they don't have me on their list. They want to drive you to their own mortgage company. But do you know I can help builders like them drive traffic to their communities if I think they offer a great level of service? Now, If you are out there looking for a home and you need a good real estate agent, do you know that I will team you up with a vetted realtor in the area that you're looking at, and they are committed to giving you back 25% of the buy-side commission on the transaction. So you think about that. Most real estate agents make about 3% on a real estate transaction. So if you were buying a $400,000 house, that real estate commission would be about $12,000. And if you use my system and I refer you to the real estate agent, and I promise I will never give you a real estate agent that wouldn't bend over backwards for you and negotiate like a crazy person for your best interest. And listen, they don't pay me anything for this. There is no kickbacks. There is nothing whatsoever. It is strictly an endorsement that I give to somebody that will offer you, my listeners, the same level of service that I will offer to you. Now, that would be on a $400,000, an additional $3,000 that you get from the real estate agent that I refer you to. You can't go wrong with that. Now, you combine that with that real estate agent negotiating another, say, $5,000, $6,000 in seller contributions toward your closing costs, you can get into a home for little or no money down, depending on the type of loan that you're getting. Why not do that? Why don't you hire somebody that's looking out for your bottom dollar? You can't go to your bank and get that type of service. You can't go online and get one of these national lenders that will offer you that service. You can come to me and you can get somebody that you can count on. You want to come to my office and meet me? I'm here to meet with you. You want to call me? You actually get return phone calls. You want to call my team? I have loan officers on call 7 days a week. 7 days a week. On call, 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313, or WeBringYouHome.com. That's WeBringYouHome.com. If you'd like to go to the K92-3 All-Star Jam on September 4th, I have some tickets available for you. Please text me tickets at 407-706-3313. And if you are a hero, I got a ticket for you. I've only got a few left, but so if you're a hero, text me right now. I'm a hero at 407-706-3313 and tickets. And I'll make sure that I get you taken care of. But I've only got a few less, so do it right away. That would be on September 4th at the Additions Arena at UCF, starring all kind of great country stars. You don't want to miss this. Again, if you're a real estate agent, I've got loan officers on call 7 days a week. 365. Why team up with anybody other than a team that's going to give you exemplary service and make sure that you are well covered for your clients when they need a great mortgage? If you are considering buying new construction, call me. I'll connect you to the right builder. If you're considering building your own home, I've got the builders that can help you do that. If you are a builder and you want to connect with me, I have the best construction perm loans in the market. I've got 95% conventional loans, 100% VA construction perm loans, 96.5% FHA loans for construction perms. Not many lenders can say that. They honestly can't. And you get exemplary service, best interest rates, lowest possible closing costs. What more do you want? 407-706-3313 or WeBringYouHome.com. If you are in real estate right now and you're listening to this message, I am going to be hosting and sponsoring an event that is how to build a real estate team. And this is step-by-step instructions, all the material you need for your first hire, and how to set up a team so that you can be the best you can possibly be as a real estate agent. That is going to be on September 14th from 9 to 5 in Melbourne at the Holiday Inn Melbourne in Vieira Hotel in the Conference Center. This is going to be taught by Tina Valiant, a national real estate coach. She is absolutely amazing. I've loved what she's done. I've been to several of her seminars before. She is the real deal. So if you're in real estate and you would like to go to this event, go to my website at WeBringYouHome.com and I'll instruct you how to get your tickets. They're $299 for a full day event. It will change the trajectory of your business. And I'm going to be honest with you. If you're a real estate agent out there and you don't have a team, the problem with that is you're on call 7 days a week. You have nobody to help you. But when you build a team, you have more people to help your customers. It's like my team. I couldn't be there for all of you. You're calling me right now. I'm getting phone calls right now while I'm on the air. Now, I can't help you, but my team's right there to help you. So they can get the process started. Now, does that mean that I schlep you off to one of my juniors? No, I'm still involved in every single transaction that comes through my door. You get calls from me. You get return calls. It's really funny. You guys get calls from me on Monday after my show, and you're like, wow, I really didn't think you'd actually call. Of course I'm going to call. You're important to me. You're my client. This is not a call center. I'm a local business person operating in your backyard. I grew up here. My kids grew up here. I operate my business here. I'm committed to my real estate agents. I'm committed to my clients. I'm committed to making sure that you always have a trusted advisor to help you through a real estate transaction. Hey, it can be a little stressful. Don't you want somebody that cares more about you rather than somebody on the other line that just pushes buttons and says, oh, yes, you're pre-qualified. Oh, yes, you don't qualify. And that's another thing. I get calls every day from people from both sides of the fence. They call me and go, I got turned down by my bank. And I look at them, bang, fix this, fix that, we're going to closing. Then I get clients who call me up and go, I've been approved and I'm supposed to close next week, and my bank just called me and said I'm no longer approved. What am I going to do? I've already sold my house. I got my kids and my dogs and I'm supposed to move into this house. What do I do? And I look at that and I go, man, I'm going to tell you something. I don't know who pre-approved you, but I don't see that you could get a pre-approved based on your circumstances. Why put yourself through that stress? It's ridiculous. You want an honest answer. And listen, some of you may not qualify right now. You might have to fix things. Some of you self-employed people may be getting hunted down by the IRS that's going to be packing weapons and ready to use them. If you just look at all the IRS narrative that they just put out, hiring 87,000 new agents that have to be prepared to use their guns on our citizens of America, that's insane. I'm going to tell you something. We need a change in this government, and it ain't the ones that are in there right now. That's my political view. I don't like what's happening. I think it's hurting you and me and the hometown people that work in our community, our local self-employed people. If you agree with me, you text me right now and say, I agree with you. If you want my help on a mortgage, you call me right now at 407-706-3313. If you are a hero, a teacher, law enforcement, and you want to buy a home, I got the program for you, baby. I got it all right here. My team are experts on hometown heroes. A veteran. Think about this. Veterans get no money down and get hometown heroes. Come on. It don't make any sense not to do it. Stop renting, you guys. Stop renting right now and call me at 407-706-3313. I want to send a call out to all of you principals that are trying to hire teachers right now. I'm going to tell you something. You call me, I'll connect your prospective teacher. You're trying to hire them. You're trying to find ways to make it sweeter for you to attract people, but you don't have anything sweeter because your salary's the same, the kids are the same, the school's the same. Why not let me take that over? You got a prospective teacher. I'll assign them to a real estate agent in your community. They will get them hometown heroes. They will give them 25% of the buy-side commission back, and I will help them with their financing while the real estate agent is showing them around town on selling the community to them. All the features, what they would expect to live in the community in which you're trying to hire a teacher, because your school's no different. Why not sell the community? And you don't have the time or the ability to do that. We do. We have all of the information in order for you to hire a teacher and show them why it's a great opportunity for them to live in your community. And then you have an opportunity to hire them. Let me take over that for you. I have everything you need. 407-706-3313. I can do the same for firefighters, and I can do the same for hospitals and doctor's offices that are short on nurses. We can help you find more people and give them everything that they could possibly need to make a decision to buy here in Central Florida. My name is Bruce Woodburn. I am the Lone Ranger. I can be reached at 407-706-3313 or WeBringYouHome.com. Stay tuned. I'll be back in 5 minutes for the last segment of the Lone Ranger Radio Show with Bruce Woodburn, Cross Country Mortgage.